Hello to everybody. Ciao a tutti. It's Seven speaking. And today a new unboxing. The second one for today. If I publish both today, but I don't think so. Okay, moving on. About flight simulator, combat flight simulator from Microprose, one of the first of this glorious software company, because, and this is a news, I look at for news in the Wikipedia, and this is the game developed by Microprose, one of the most legendary company in the software industry, game software, and I was browsing up, down, without find the game. Then, what is crazy? This is the first one in the 94. You see. So this is something very interesting. Okay, let's first take a look to the information provided by the Wikipedia. I browse quickly, that way you can read. Then about the game, the gameplay, and moving quickly to the game. So your time is gold mine. This is the box. Left. In the back, very slow motion. The specifications are reported here. Usually you don't know are here because it's carton. That way, open. This is close the camera, impact. Keeping this one here, just to have some more context. The box. Oh, what is inside? I should get some thing to make this clear. Corn combo. I don't care. Floppy. Check later. Let's first look at the manual. Just okay. Too many. So first, thank you. Nothing. Don't forget, I love this way in the past to make the card. Beautiful time. This get the competitive edge with the Microsoft Hint line. No. 7 days a week, 24 hours. It's not for free. Take in mind this. Good. Next. Modem play capability, because it supports the multiplayer. If you want to upgrade, write us. So it's not free. You have to get it because it's not included. It will be something related after. Maybe, I don't know if it's included in the one I purchased. The key reference card. Okay. Just a carton box. I keep this way. That way, if you want to capture a screen, you can have the control on your hand. Technical supplement. Cioè, do you see the minimum specification? Beautiful times. Credit for kids. And nothing else. So, we have two big box here. Big one. One is the handbook, and the other is gameplay guide. Alright, here what we have. Oh, now I was destroying everything to smell. Okay, this is the inside. Just some information about the table of contents. Very fast. Very fast, and it's about 93 page. Let's quickly browse what we have. Main menu. Okay, this is the flying to low water carrier pilot. See how they don't rush. Funny. Okay, and some credits for those who did the game. The handbook, what is inside? Pacific Air War 9442, the Pacific Air War Pilot's Handbook, limited warranty. This is a combat manual. Just recently I watched the game Top Gun. Yes, I remember this. Yeah, I am a pilot. Historical overview. Okay, 94 page. Maybe this is just this. Okay, so let's finalize this unboxing with the floppy disk. We have 3, 4, floppy number 1, number 2 and 3, number 4, 5 and 6. So now I have to play it. No escape. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, check the other, because I try to improve video by video the quality. And don't subscribe, just jump here when you can. Thank you so much.